O'Brien's got it. Yeah, O'Brien's got it.
Hi, I'm Cree with O'Brien Kia. Don't you hate when you come out on a cold morning and your tire pressure light is on? Today we're going to go over some best practices and tips when it comes to your tire pressure. Let's head on back to our service department to chat with Brian, one of our certified Kia technicians. Hey Brian, my friends want to know what the deal is with the tire pressure.
Well, with the cold weather now, the lights come on quite often. For every 10 degrees temperature lowers, you lose at least a pound of air. Tire pressure is very crucial. Overinflation can lead to premature wear on the middle of the tire. Underinflation can lead to wear on the outside edges of the tire. It also affects ride, handling, and fuel economy. In fact, engineers have gone as far as to research this, and they put the specifications on what we call the tire placard inside the door. That gives you an exact pressure to go with. Anytime that your tires are low, you can just bring them in, we'll fill them up free of charge.
Thanks, Brian. I hope this answers some of your questions that you had. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for some more helpful tips.